Hi, I'm Doug Jones. I'm with Mortgage Magic and I'm with Buyers Realty. There's my information right there. And my NMLS number is 28668. And there's my email address. And my real estate license is 00979517. I want to talk about some things this morning, and the economy is in bad shape. Now, we notice it more sensitive than other people, I think, because we're in the interest rate business all the time. And so we're always aware of what's happening, what's going to happen. And right now, the economy basically is not good. A lot of people don't know it yet, but it's not good. And I just want to give you some things to consider. First, this is it. If you're going to buy now. If you're going to refinance now. Do it right now, because the interest rates are going to get worse, and the whole economy with inflation is going to get worse, okay? This is March 25th, 2022. I have an example on the board, $640,000 loan. Today, that rate is 4.25, and that brings a loan payment, not with tax and insurance, just a mortgage, of $31.48. Thanksgiving of this year, I'm predicting they will be at least 5.5%. I hope I'm wrong, but I think they're going to be at least 5.5%, and the payment on that will be $36.34. What I've got in the middle, $11.30 in red, that is the additional income a person would need to make to qualify for this loan. So if they qualify now and then they don't make any more money and they barely qualify, they're not going to qualify for that loan come Thanksgiving. So if you're going to buy now, it's always a good time to buy now, and it's also a good time to refinance now. I want to go to one more thing. A lot of people in this valley are exiting for a lot of different reasons. They're retiring the valley. They bought the house a long time ago, and they're going to other states or Central Valley, California, and they're buying a house for a lot less. This example shows a sales price of $1.2 million. And this couple purchased a home for $200,000 way back when. If you're a couple in California, well, maybe it's federal, I'm not sure, but you get a $500,000 exemption. If you're a single person, you get $250,000 exemption. So this person has a $500,000 exemption, and they're going to pay capital gain on $500,000. You can go online and look up capital gains tax, and you can do a computation online, tell you how much that is. But they do get the $500,000 free right there. That's money to them. Okay. So a lot of people are selling, and that's the thing. If you're going to sell and do a lot of equity in your house in California, you really want to know what your tax liability is going to be. That's really important to know that now. Now, the second thing, people choose not to leave. They not to leave. And the loan that personally I love, I think it's one of the best loans in the history of the world, history of loans, is a reverse mortgage loan. Now, you've got to be 62 years old. That's the first key. But when people call me, as a matter of fact, as we were writing on the whiteboard, somebody just called me just for a reverse mortgage loan right now. And you've got to be 62 years old. The equity is going to be determined by how much your house is valued at, how much you owe on it, and then there's a mathematical formula they use with your age. The older you are, the more money you get. So I guess sometimes it's good to be old. I'm getting there. Okay. So anyway, but that's what a lot of people are choosing to do also, because you can stay in your house and you can still got to pay your taxes and insurance, but you no longer have to pay the mortgage payment. Now, if you want to know, I can send you numbers on that. Just give me a call, contact me on my email here, or give me a call at 408-209-6773, and I will be glad to send you with no charge at all. I don't even follow up. If you don't want to be bothered, I don't bother you. But I'll be glad to send you the information. You can look at and determine if a reverse mortgage is right for you, or if you don't want to sell, I can do that too. As a matter of fact, I can do everything on the board. I can do your mortgage, I can do your sale, I can do your reverse mortgage. So I guess I'm a jack of all trades. I'm Doug Jones of Mortgage Magic and Buyers Realty.